Vehicle Lookup. This video will address how to look up a vehicle by year, make, model, and body style and select the NAGS class, using the quote wizard to select the NAGS class, querying parts and selecting the part from the vendor, adding add-on parts to quote, example moldings and clips, graphics of the vehicle and NAGS part, look up OEM part, look up previous NAGS list price from past pricing updates. Click on Auto Glass Quote, then click on the Vehicle tab. Either type in the year, make, model, body style, and hit Tab, or you can double-click to select. Select the glass by double-clicking. Select your urethane. The NAGS part will now be queried from your vendors, returning your cost. Click on the Part Availability tab. The part that is underlined is the part you will be ordering electronically from your vendor. The quote whiz can be used to select the NAGS glass part. Click on the Quote Whiz button at the top of the screen and click on Next. Enter in the customer's zip code. Enter the customer's callback number, and if a new customer, the customer's first and last name. For the customer number, use the customer's callback number, and then click Next. Type in the year, make, model, and body style, and the type of glass to be replaced. Click on Next. This is not an insurance claim. Click Next. If this is a new account, enter in the customer's address, etc. Then click Next. Review the information and click on Finish. Select the urethane and the part will be queried from your vendors. Again, click on the Part Availability tab, and the part that is underlined is the one that will be ordered from your vendor. Here is another example using the Quote Wizard. Click on the Quote Wizard button at the top of the screen. Click on Next and enter the zip code and callback number and click Next. For this example, we'll be looking up a 2005 Toyota Camry windshield. Please enter this in under the year, make, and model. Click on Next. The wizard will ask a series of questions to qualify the correct glass needed. Click on Next twice and then click Finish. Select the urethane and click OK. Your part will be queried from your vendor for availability. This particular part requires a molding. Click on the NAGS part number and then click on the Part Availability tab. Double-click on the molding to add it to the quote. Vehicle and NAGS parts graphics can be viewed when doing the vehicle lookup. To view a graphic of the vehicle, once you have selected the vehicle, simply click on the picture. A larger graphic will be displayed. You can print from this view. When viewing a graphic of the NAGS part, please note the call-out numbers displayed beside the parts. These numbers will be shown when doing a lookup of the OEM parts for the glass in the CO column. To view the OEM part for the NAGS part, click on the NAGS part and then click the OE button. Please note that the CO column will display the callout numbers for the parts in the graphic. In this example, we are going to attach a molding to the quote. Click on the Vehicle tab, look up your vehicle, and select the windshield. Your parts will be queried. Click on the Part Availability tab. Select a molding that is available from your vendor. It will be attached to your quote. The call-out number on the glass graphic will be the same as the molding selected and will be shown in the OEM lookup. If needed, you can look up previous NAGS list prices. This may be necessary if you are billing an insurance invoice and you have recently updated your NAGS pricing, but your invoice was completed on the date before the update. Enter the NAGS part number and click on the NAGS button above. The NAGS list price for the past updates with a date will be listed. You can select by double-clicking and the list price will be updated. This will be noted by the list price being underlined.